Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. Okay, today I with my partner will present about our lab for electropneumatic and electrohydraulic in industrial electronic. First of all, let me introduce myself and my partner. First, my name is Muhammad Arif Hazim bin Tajuddin, number matrix AA190125. My partner, Luqman Hazim bin Yusri, AA190631. Okay, let's begin this lab. Okay, first, for lab activity 1, we will talk about electropneumatic. Okay, as you can refer in the circuit, when the air supplied by the compressor, the air will through the air service unit and blocked by valve. When the push button S1 click, the valve will move to the right and allow air through it. Push the piston to the right. After the push button S1 release, the valve spring will push the valve to left and block the air supplied by the compressor. Lastly, the piston springs will push out the air balance to the exhaust. Okay, next, for the electrohydraulic, when the liquid supplied by the pump unit, it will be blocked by the valve and went through the pressure relief valve and go to the tank. When the push button S1 click, the valve will move to the right and allow liquid to through it and push the piston to the bottom. After limit switch 1B1 open, the valve spring will push valve to the left side and block the liquid supply by pump unit. The piston spring will push to the initial position and push the balanced liquid to the tank. Let's go to the observation. First question for observation is briefly discuss the function of the two components circled in red below. Okay, for the diagram on the left, it is a tank in hydraulic system. The function of tank is to dissipate heat and contaminants to settle out of fluid. For the diagram on the right side, it is air exhaust used in pneumatic system. The function of the air exhaust is to push the waste air such as smoke out of the system. Okay, for question, first question is describe the difference between electropneumatic and electrohydraulic system. Electropneumatic use air pressure system to work, while electrohydraulic use liquid pressure system to work. Electropneumatic is for the open system, while electrohydraulic for the closed system. Lastly, electropneumatic has the easy valve operation, while electrohydraulic has the hard valve operation. Next question. Describe an industrial application for electropneumatic and electrohydraulic system shown in figure 1. Okay, for industrial application for electropneumatic system is air brakes. Apart from trucks and buses, air brakes are also used in other moving machines. The compressed air pressed on a piston slows down the movement of a component due to friction. And for industrial application for the electrohydraulic system is hydraulic compressor used for compressor in garbage truck. Hydraulic compressor convert hydraulic power into mechanical power and then mechanical power to pneumatic power. Okay, for lab activity 2, I will pass to Luqman Hazim. Okay, now we continue with lab activity 3. When the air supplied by the compressor, the air will through the air service unit and push the piston to the left. When the push button S1 click, the valve will move left and right for 5 times and push the piston right and left also for 5 times because the relay counter C1 already set at 5. To reset the relay counter C1, click push button S2 and the system will repeat the same process. Okay, for the observation, first tabulate the list of components used in figure 1. Okay, what we use in figure 3, sorry. For figure 3 is first we use air compressor, air service unit, 5/2 way solenoid impulse valve, double acting cylinder, electrical connection, 0 volt and 24 volt, deturn switch mag, brake switch, relay, magnetic porosmetic switch, mag switch, valve solenoid, relay counter, and lastly push button mag. Second question for observation is explain the function of S2. The function of push button S2 is to reset the relay counter. For the question, the position of 1B1 and 1B2 in figure 3 is different from figure 2. By referring component A and B below, are both types practical for 1B1 and 1B2 in figure 3? Explain your answer. Okay, first, component A is limit switch and component B is magnetic proximity switch. Limit switch has lever used to close the contact. When contact closed, it allows electric to enter and spring in the component make it move to the initial position. Magnetic proximity switch used to detect magnetic object and close the switch to allow the current flow through it. Component A suitable for the circuit don't have to detect magnetic object, but if the circuit need to detect magnetic object, component B will be the best choice. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.